Goodness. I have a couple of questions.
Yes.
I'm not sure. Firstly, why do you think your community is still persecuted in Pakistan?
Pardon?
Why do you think your community is still persecuted in Pakistan when you don't seem to pose a threat?
Why do I think we are being persecuted in Pakistan?
Yes.
When?
And secondly, when British politicians raise the issue with Pakistani government or officials, do you think does it make any difference? Does Britain make any difference to this persecution?
Do you think the British government is ruling Pakistan?
No. But when an MP or something says...
Yes, they have been doing they're quite generous to us, that they have been favoring us by requesting the Pakistani government. But this is a matter of now, at present Pakistan is in the hands of extremist mullahs. And these mullahs they don't have their political value, but they have their nation's value, their street value. The pulpit of the mosque is in their hands. So they can incite the public whenever they like, with all the wrong things they want. So this is the fear of the politicians, and because of that, because there's, for this I will have to explain you the difference between us and the other Muslim sects. And because of this, they are against us. They have enacted a law in 1974 against us by excluding us from the Muslim community. But that is only for the purpose of law and constitution. So I don't think any government will ever dare to repeal this law. So as long as this law is there, these mullahs have a license to do whatever they like to us, right? So, and it is in the hands of God what we believe, not in the hands of any government.